Windows 10 keeps updating automatically. Annoying, right? In this video, I'll show you how to permanently disable automatic updates in just 2 minutes. Quick, easy, and no interruptions. First, open Services. Search for Windows Update. Now double-click Windows Update. Set it to manual, then disabled. Click Apply. Then stop. And finally, click OK. Alright folks, let's tackle the next step to fix the issue. Ready? Here we go. Next, let's edit the Registry Editor. Search for Registry Editor. Then run as administrator and click Yes. Now, navigate to this path step by step. Expand. H-key local machine. Expand software. Expand policies. Expand Microsoft. Expand Windows now. Right-click on Windows. Select New, Key, and rename it to Windows Update. Then, right-click on Windows Update. Select New, Key, and name it AU. Inside the AU folder, right-click on the empty space, choose New, deORD 32-bit value. Rename it to No Auto Update. Double-click No Auto Update. Set the value to 1. And click OK. That's it. Restart your PC and Windows updates will be disabled permanently. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.